The previous owner just gave up on this 2016 Suzuki Outboard motor. Today we're going to find out if it's actually junk or if they just missed something simple. The seller told me it needed a new carburetor, but that doesn't make sense to me because a carburetor can be rebuilt. There's even rebuild kits with gaskets, and in an outboard this new, it shouldn't need to be replaced. Let's get our compression tester and see what it really has. Okay. That's good compression for a cold engine, so we're fine there. The next thing I'm going to do is check for spark. So we know we have compression and spark. Now we just need to check to see if we have fuel. I think I'll just take this fuel tank off here so that I can drain the fuel out of it. Let's see what we got here. All right, I got all the fuel out of this fuel tank. I'm going to put it back on. All right. So I'm in here looking at the carb, right? Here's the choke, it works. And then I turn the throttle and I watch the throttle here. And that is not right. So I adjusted the throttle linkages and made the throttle work like it was supposed to. Okay. I'm gonna drain the rest of that fuel out of the float bowl so we don't have any old fuel in there. We have gasoline pooling here, and it's also somehow seeping here and dripping down here and going in here. We have fuel coming out that way. All right. Yeah, I need to order a carburetor kit for this to rebuild this carburetor. Look at that. All right, so we're looking at the float needle up close here, and yeah, it's got some blemishes on that rubber tip. Look at this. This main jet is like completely clogged. So the fact that our fuel was coming out of the overflow vent means that that float needle wasn't sealing. But either way, we'll just replace all that down here. Nice and clear. Look in there. That's got to be the idle circuit, and it's plugged. I'm going to try and get that jet out of there. There's the idle jet. You cannot see through it. These are actually brass bristles that you would never think would be strong enough, but they're so small that after soaking this for a second, I was able to get this opened up, and if you can see, it's all clear now. All right, I got my new carb parts in the mail and our new needle valve, which is like a lot better than the old needle valve. So here you can see those two little holes in there, and those cable ends should be in those holes where the cables go. One of them was not in there, and that was part of the reason that this throttle was not adjusting properly. Now I got this handle back on properly and the cables back in there, right? So this should work right now. Golly. All right, I got a new washer on my drain bolt. All right, it's working now. Let's run the idle up and down here a little bit if I need to. She's idling nice now. Can even put her in gear while she's idling. Spills water everywhere. Wow, this is running so good. It's time to shine it up, put it for sale, and see what I can get for it. I'll let you know in a future video.